Now it is question number 12. If P and Q are the midpoint of the sides CA and CB respectively of triangle ABC, right angle at C, prove that 4 into AQ square plus BP square equal 5AB square. It is right angle triangle. Right angle at point C. It is A and B. P and Q are the midpoint of side CA, means P is the midpoint of CA and Q is the midpoint of BC. We have to prove that 4AQ square plus BP square equal 5AB square. Given in right angle triangle, ABC, P and Q are the midpoint of side AC and BC. To prove 4AQ square plus BP square equal 5AB square. We have to prove this term. Now proof. AQ square means join AQ and join BP. In triangle BPC, BP square is equal BC square plus PC square. Now BP square is equal BC square, and since P is the midpoint of AC, then PC is half of AC, then it is half of AC P is the midpoint of AC, that is PC equal half of AC, and we put the value of PC. Then equation becomes BP square equal BC square plus 1 by 4 AC square. Now multiply whole equation by 4. We have 4 BP square, 4 BC square plus AC square. It is equation 1. Similarly, in triangle AQC, AQ square is equal AC square plus QC square, because AQC is a right angle triangle. Now AQ square is equal AC square, and QC is half of BC, then QC can be written as half BC. AQC is right angle, then AQ square equal AC square plus QC square, and QC is half of BC. Q is the midpoint of BC, that is QC equal half BC. Now AQ square is equal AC square plus 1 by 4 BC square. Now multiply whole equation by 4. We have 4 AQ square, 4 AC square plus BC square. It is equation 1 and 2. We have 4 BP square plus 4 AQ square is equal 4 AC square plus AC square, 5 AC square and 5 BC square. Now 4 common. We have BP square plus AQ square and 5 common, AC square plus BC square, and in triangle ABC, AC square plus BC square is equal AB square. Then we have 4 BP square plus EQ square, and the value of AC square plus BC square means square of the sum of the square of the perpendicular and base is equal to the square of hypotenuse, means AB square, and it is answer.